Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set communication limits during screen time to contacts only or everyone on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on screen time. Next, go down and go to the communication section, then tap on communication limits. Now in here, tap on during screen time. You can choose contacts only, contacts and groups with at least one contact, or everyone. So select one of the options, then tap on the back key, then tap on the back again, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.